Today's video is going to be me unboxing my things that I got from Toy World today. I bought it with my purse that I got today because, by the way, it's from Smiggle. And yes, so let's get started. Here's the box, the bag full of all the stuff. First thing I got was classic bubbles, and what you can do with them is you can blow bubbles but the lid's still on, so I have to take it off later. And yes, that's what I got from Toy World, and it was $3. So the next thing I got was this Minecraft card stickers, and it was $5. I got a farmer villager, and on the back is that. Then I got a dog, a spawned wolf, turned into a dog. And I got a zombie pigman for Minecraft, and it was $4.99, so that's $5. Next thing I got was Shopkins, and it comes in a basket, which is this basket, and you can easily just slot them in there. They're sliding easily. And so now I'm going to open them up. I do not know what's inside. Oh, on the floor. Can I please have some scissors? My scissors are going to appear. Hiya! Got the scissors. Gotta open it. Really hard to open. Oh. Ooh! I got this gorilla. And I'm going to look in here. The Shopkins line of what it is. And as you can see, it's got a lot of stuff. So start from the beginning, go down. I'm just going to see if it's on here. I don't think it's on there because it's on the hat. So it's a hat. This is a hat. As you can see, it's right there. And so yeah. So I got a hat, and now I'm going to open the next thing that comes with it. It's down the bottom. I knew it was a phone. I thought this was a phone when I was trying to see. And then there's on the back it says Shopkins. And I am going to see on this what it is. I'm sure it is on here. also got a frozen apple from Burger King. Sour apple from Burger King. And I have got a special guest with me. And if you know his channel, his name is Burkesdale. Come on through. Peek your head through.
Hello all. How are we in this hot day?
And subscribe to my channel.
Yes, please make sure you subscribe and push the like button down below. And any comments you have, any suggestions, you can also go over to my channel, Burkesdale. Subscribe there. I upload heaps of videos. Keep an eye out for Lucy's next video. Have fun and have a safe, happy new year.
Bye.